Okay, are you guys ready? I'm not. I'm sure as heck not ready for this, but we're gonna play anyway. I've already seen like half of it because freaking Universal Japan released like half of it almost a freaking year ago, it seems like. But the full version is out. Let's play. Hello! Mushy mushy! Beep beep, ring ring! Beep beep! Oh, look at all those babies. Girls in Peace. Wrong album. Wrong album. It's Love in Peace. Beep beep. There you go. They needed to fix that. They didn't fix it. Oh! Waking up. Hello? Tim! I'd pick up the phone for you any freaking day. Hi. Hi, Sonny. Well, I've already seen this part a million times. No, I'm not busy. I'd be free for you any day. Sohyun. Taeyeon. Oh gosh, hug that phone. I wish I was that phone. Snsd has me wishing I was so many random inanimate objects in their music videos. Call me right now, please. Oh baby. Catchy song. Too much pink though. Can I just say that there's... Sorry, Fanny. I feel like you designed this set. I like all the cartoon effects, though. I don't like the the costumes they're wearing. Oh, this is all new now. Yuri, you finally showed up. Oh my God, look at that huge phone. Hi, Tan. What are you doing? Hi, Yuri. Get those ears. Oh, those ears. Oh my freak. Oh, Sunny's running down the street. What's going on? Something. Oh my gosh, bend over. Hi, Jessica. Drink that thing. She just whipped out the text. Is it just me or is the second half? Is the second half so much better than the first half was? Oh my gosh, zoom in. Oh my gosh, Yunyo! Hi, Sooyoung. Oh, freak. Oh my gosh, these pairings are so good. Hi, Yuna. Oh my God. Sunny. Hi, Sooyoung. Oh my gosh, super close shot. Ooh, what is that? Once again, I wish I was that phone. Oh my gosh, I'd call you. I'd call all of you. All 9. Multiple times. Oh my gosh. Yuri's in the middle. Alright. She deserves to be in the middle. She has gotten, like, no screen time during this music video. Oh, Hyoyeon! Oh, baby! In that Gyarados outfit. This dance is really cute and simple. It's over. Oh freak, oh god, oh poop, oh shiz. Oh my gosh, there's extras, what's going on? Look at the... Oh, dang it. Now it's really over. Oh, that was so good. That was really cute and lovely and amazing and full of babies. I can happily say it was worth the wait for that glory. Oh freak. It sure was. I hope you enjoyed my reaction video. It gets my... reaction videos are just... I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. They get my heart racing. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you thought of the full video in the comments. Did you like it? Were you disappointed? Were you overwhelmed with glory? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Oh my gosh, play again. Let's go. Beep, beep, baby.